Welcome back to the Reload Bench. They had free shipping at Midway USA again, so you know what that means. I just figured I'd do this short unboxing video here just to show you what I got or what condition it came in, because when this box showed up, sounds like there's something loose rattling around in there. So let's just see what happened. Actually, I wasn't really looking to order anything from Midway USA, but I've got a friend who doesn't order things online with a credit card, and he'll let me know whenever he's looking for something and say, hey, next time you're placing an order, can you throw this on? So that's the main reason I did this. But it's a good excuse to, well, to take advantage of free shipping, because I love free shipping. So let me get the buck 285 here and get this open. I'm opening it from the bottom because I really didn't feel like taking a Sharpie to the address label. So there's glue holding the flap on there in addition to the 2-inch clear packaging tape. Alright, so here we go. It's an ETS mag for a Glock 17. This is a 17 round mag. Let me go ahead and just open it up. Why not? So it's a clear mag. ETS is made in America. I've got some other ETS stuff, but I don't think I've got a Glock 17 mag. And you might ask, you know, why are you doing that? Well, at some point, I'm going to have a Gen 5 Glock 17, so why not stock up now? The price was right. It was on sale. Once again, free shipping, so why not? And the clear body on this mag, it's kind of got a little bit of a smoke kind of color to it, but you can see right through. You can see the spring. It's got a black follower. Yeah. It's nice and tight, all plastic construction here. It's got the ETS logo embossed on the floor plate, so not too bad. And then the main reason I placed the order, this is from Pachmayr. This is a mag sleeve. It fits a Glock 19, 23, 32 with Glock 17, 22, 31 mag. It is made in the USA, as far as I know. At least that's what it showed. Yeah, there it is, made in the USA. It says that on the Midway website as well. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's just see how this works. Why does it come with an Allen wrench? Oh boy. Some assembly required. I guess you would just slide this over? Yeah, I'm not doing that right. You know what? I'm going to leave this to somebody who's actually got a Glock 19. Alright, so got to figure that one out. But hopefully somebody will be out there making maybe in a short instructional video explaining how one of these things works. So I got one for myself because, well, I don't know if I'll ever need it, and I got two, so we'll just put that over here. That's going to go out through the mail today. And now I think I found the culprit. This is why there's rattling. It is 7.6239 full metal jacket everywhere. I got some Norma Tactical 7.62x39 124 grain full metal jacket as stocking stuffers. For those of you maybe you've never seen any of my unboxing videos before, I get boxes of ammo and use them as stocking stuffers. So throughout the year I buy the ammo and I just keep it stashed away in a little box somewhere, and then for Christmas Ammo Claus sneaks out in the middle of the night and loads down everybody's stocking with ammo for different firearms that they own. So this was going to be that. Well, I guess it still can be, because the box is really not smushed or damaged. There's just cartridges everywhere. So that is the danger of having something like this in the order. I've had reload supply bullets in a plastic box from Midway USA burst open, and the corner of the box, the cardboard box, burst open, and stuff probably spilled out all over the conveyor somewhere at UPS, and they didn't know what it was. It just kind of showed up at my house, and Midway has made it right in the past before. So it looks like there's the last one. They're all there. So a little bit of repacking, good as new. Christmas is saved. Alright, more importantly, I need to run out and get to the post office here so I can get this stuff in the mail. But I just thought I would use this as an opportunity just to make a quick unboxing video and say that I really don't know anything about these Pachmayr mag sleeves, but hopefully somebody will be doing a video on these soon. Thanks for watching.